Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Active Trader Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll move from launching the platform to placing an order through the Active Trader interface, keeping things clear and practical so you can follow along with confidence. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app. When the platform loads, you'll see the main workspace with a set of tabs along the top. This is your home base for trading tools, charts, and account information. Give the platform a moment to fully load so real-time data and panels appear correctly before moving on. Next, click on the Trade tab. This section is designed for order entry and product details. You'll notice a symbol field, quote, information, and several panels that can be expanded. Our goal in this view is to access the dedicated Active Trader panel, which streamlines order placement and gives you a more tactical trading layout. Now click on Active Trader. This opens a specialized panel that displays a price ladder or depth of market view, along with buy and sell controls. You'll typically see quantity selectors, order type options, and quick buttons that help you stage orders with just a few clicks. If the panel appears minimized or hidden, look for a small disclosure arrow and expand it so the full ladder and controls are visible. With the panel ready, select a sample symbol. Enter a ticker in the symbol field and confirm you're viewing the correct instrument. The price ladder and quote details will update to reflect that symbol's current market data. For practice, many traders choose a highly liquid symbol, so the ladder is active and easy to read, but any valid symbol will work for this setup. When you're set, click on Buy or Sell. Choosing Buy stages a long order, choosing Sell stages a short or closing order, depending on your position. The exact price and order type can be influenced by where you click on the ladder and the default settings shown in the panel. Take a brief moment to look over the stage order details on screen: price, quantity, and time in force, so you understand how the order will behave if you submit it. Once everything looks right, click on Send. The order will route immediately, and you should see on-screen feedback, such as a confirmation, working status, or a fill notification. You can monitor the result in the Activity or Orders section within the same workspace. That's it. Your Active Trader setup is complete, and you've placed an order using the streamlined ladder interface.